If your AOC monitor suddenly shows a no signal message, it simply means the screen isn't detecting a video output from your computer. The good news is, this is usually easy to fix. Start with the basics. First, inspect your video cable. Make sure your HDMI, DisplayPort, or VGA cable is firmly connected on both ends. Even a slightly loose cable can interrupt the signal. If possible, unplug and reconnect it securely. Next, confirm the correct input source is selected on the monitor. Press the menu or input button on your monitor and ensure it matches the port you're actually using. For example, if your cable is plugged into HDMI, the monitor must be set to HDMI input. If that doesn't solve it, perform a full power cycle. Turn off both your monitor and computer. Unplug them from power for about 30 seconds, then reconnect and power them back on. This resets communication between the devices and often restores the signal. If the issue continues, check your display resolution settings in Windows and set it to the monitor's recommended resolution. Also, update your graphics drivers from NVIDIA or AMD if applicable. Testing another cable, port, or even another computer can help determine whether the issue is with the monitor or the PC.